po at magandang umaga. Welcome po sa ating programa My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Psalms, chapter 33, verse 14. From the place of his dwelling, he looks on all the inhabitants of the earth. My topic for this morning is, God is watching. Ang Diyos ay nanunood. Nakikita po tayo ng Diyos, ano man po yung ginagawa natin. Kung sa Yuki nga lang mga kapatid, mayroong 4.2 million mga kapatid na closed circuit video, cameras surrounding them. At usong-uso din sa atin yung Pinoy Big Brother, no? Kaya sinasabi na Big Brother is watching you. The same is true with our God, no? The eye of the Lord may be fearsome, but we who trust in Him rejoice. He is not an intrusive Big Brother, but our loving Heavenly Father who watches over us. God's purpose of watching over us is not to punish us every time we are committing sins, no? But of course, watching us to take care also for us, and also to remind us of His love despite of the fact that we fail God most often in our lives. Another point po na gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo, keep your eyes on the Lord. He never takes His eyes off of you. Ibig pong iparating na ang Diyos po mismo, hindi po niya tinanggal o hindi po niya inalis ang kanyang mga mata sa pagtingin sa atin. He is always watching us because He loves us more than our parents loves us. Ganun po tayo kamahal ng ating Panginoon. Therefore, always love God and always remember whatever happens in your life, God is watching over you. God bless po ang